Welcome to Mytripboat.com, where you can create a tour, search for a tour, and compare tour packages. We are world first travel networking site where your dream destination on your budget. Today we'll discuss about how to create an agent account or operator account on this site. First of all, you have to log in first. If you are new to this site, you can sign in with Google and open your account easily. If you don't have any Google account, you can register free with MTB form where you have to provide your full name, email, birth date, password and confirm password. If you are an operator, then you have to switch this on I am tour operator. Then select your business type and agree to our terms and condition and just register. We will send you a verification code on email address. You have to provide verification code next step and enjoy the service. So we have already created an account, so we are just logging on that account. This is a user account we have created. This is your first impression on the website. You can see there are lots of travel posted on our website. You can create a tour and post on this list. But how can you do so? You can active your agent account and you are ready to post your tour on this website. So how can you create your account as a agent or operator or any company profile? You have to click edit profile and provide your phone number and click on I am a tour operator. If you sign in with Google, then you have to follow this step for active your agent account. If you are individual tour operator, just click I am tour operator. There no need to click B2B or B2C. If you are a company and you are holding B2C or B2B business, then you have to click B2B or B2C or both. Now I am creating a B2C account. Now just saving this form. Now my account is activated with tour operator and B2C business. When this tour operator account is activated, now I am able to create a trip or create a tour. Now you simply just click on create a trip and follow this form. You have to provide your package name, your destination, your journey month and a start date of your journey and end date of your journey. You have to choose a start point and end point as compulsory. You have to write your price and set a time and your seat number. Then provide your description, then hotels, your terms and condition and what include on the trip and upload an image and just click on terms condition by portal and you are ready to upload your tour. Whenever you create a tour, this will be listed over here. You can check your tour at ongoing tours or my tour section. When your tour date is over and start journey is ready to go, then your tour will be shifted to completed tour. Now this is the study material of how can you create an tour operator account or company account in this website and how can you create a trip on our website. So thank you for watching us, be with us and enjoy the search.